United Woodwork and Construction Sdn Bhd, established since 1979, already 43 years. We specialize in producing solid metal wood furniture.
I think this program is very good because it gives a platform to designers to expose themselves and try something new and work closely with the manufacturer in terms of developing and getting to know how furniture is being manufactured in big scale.
Challenge we face to working with designer is long distance collaboration. With the video or picture, it's difficult to feel and see the products. Only the designer visit to our factory, then we can see and feel the sample we make.
When I first submitted the design to MTC, so this is something that I would like to try, and this is something that I had in mind. I took a similar reference to Japanese culture, which is a bento box, because it's something very simple on the outside, but you have a lot of complexity and compartmentalized inside. So that is actually my main inspiration from.
We are proud of we have a good production teamwork with the designer to make the protocol sample done smoothly.